Hey guys, welcome to Supercars of London. How are you all doing? Today is a slightly different video to a daily vlog. You may remember last year I filmed a couple of videos called Arab Supercars Driving in Silence. And if you're following the media this year, you will see that the media have been blaming the Arab supercars for being a nuisance, noise pollution, accelerating hard and revving. But as a lot of you car enthusiasts know, this is not the case. So this video is going to be a follow-up from last year's two videos about how these guys are respectful of the laws and also all of the residents in London. Check this out. Hope you enjoy. Give it a thumbs up to show your support to the Arab supercars in London. Cheers, guys.
Struggling. Don't know what that looks like. Right, I'm in the background. There's so many fucking photos. Yeah.
You've been waiting here for too long. Think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times, so be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting